Hello, my name is D. Raivabu, working as assistant professor in CS department, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. Today's lecture, the subject embedded systems, the topic examples of an embedded systems. Now we can discuss about the course description. In this course, the fundamentals of embedded system, hardware and firmware design will be explored. The Intel 8051 very popular microcontroller will be studied. The architecture and instruction set of the microcontroller will be discussed. Course objectives are to provide in-depth knowledge of embedded system in hardware and software prospects, to explain the programming concepts, embedded programming in C and assembly language, to explain various architectures of embedded systems, to explain real-time operating systems, to explain about inter-task communication, to explain about embedded software development tools. Now coming to the background of the subject. Knowledge of microprocessor architecture and assembly language and microprocessor peripherals are preferred, and digital design and the C programming language is a prerequisite for this course. Digital logic circuits and electronics and computer organization are highly recommended. An understanding of compilers, assemblers, linkers, operating system, analog design, diodes, transistors and electromagnetic fields and waves will be useful. Now coming to the topic, examples of an embedded systems. Here there are 4 examples are discussed. Telegraph. Telegraphs allow you to connect a printer that has only a high-speed serial port A network. It is just like a plastic box that is of the size 2 to 3 inches on side and about half an inch thick. A pigtail cable on one side of the box plug into the serial port on the printer. A computer on the other side, the box into the network. Here we can see the diagram about the telegraph. And telegraph must receive data from the network and copy it onto the serial port, and it do the some following functions. On the network, data sometimes arrive out of order, sometimes lost or arrive twice. Then it must be sort out those errors and provide clean data stream to the printer. And telegraph must feed the printer one job at a time and maintain network computers in a queue for printer utilization. Network printer must provide status information about the printer to network computers, that is done by the telegraph, not by serial port printer. And telegraph must handle different types of printers without customer configuration, and it responds within 200 milliseconds to network printer. It must keep track of time. And telegraph has some challenges: throughput, response, testability, debuggability, reliability, memory space and program installation. We can discuss about throughput. The printer can print data as fast as telegraph can provide data to it. So telegraph should not be bottleneck. It can be achieved by better searching and sorting numerical algorithm. Response. Telegraph must respond to network computer within 200 milliseconds. Testability. It is not easy to determine telegraph really works or not, because it contains a lot of software, deals with uncommon event and deal with anything without human intervention. Debuggability. Telegraph has no screen, no keyboard, no speaker to send the error or message. Simply it is just stop working. Reliability. Telegraph is not allowed to crash. The software must function without human intervention. Memory space. It has only finite amount of memory to store programs, that is 32 KB. Program installation. It required special tools to install the software into the embedded systems. Now second example, cordless barcode scanner. It is an electronic device which can use it to read the barcodes by using the laser rays. Here whenever user pull the trigger, it activates its laser to read the barcode and sends the barcode across a radio link to the cache register. It does not have the problem throughput as telegraph had that problem, and it faced some challenge, that is power consumption. Since the scanner is the cordless, so it is to depends on the power source of the battery. To save the power, what parts of hardware are not needed at any given amount of time, and those parts should be off. Thus we can save the power. Next, laser printer. It is another embedded system example. Most laser printers have fairly substantial microprocessors embedded in them to control all the aspects of printing. The largest responsibility of the microprocessor is to deal with the laser engine. Here the laser engine know only it can put black or white dot, and processor X. Microprocessor control where to put to dot and where not to put dot. So thus by mechanism it can print the letters. For example, underground tank monitor. The underground tank monitor system watches the level of gasoline in the underground tanks at gas stations. The purpose is to detect leaks before the gas station turn into a toxic waste. So here it increased the cost because by the government rules, every company should install this type of mechanism to detect the gas leakages. And finally, nuclear reactor monitoring system. Here it is used to monitor the two temperature levels in the boiler, which are always supposed to be equal. If they differ, it indicates that there is a malfunction in the reactor occurring. So this is about some examples about the embedded systems. Okay, thank you.